Stop it. No, you can keep walking. Hey, my ass. Don't start. Do not try to do anything. What the hell is wrong with you? Stop acting like an animal.
Sheriff's office, open the door.
Franklin, Sheriff's office. You should let us know you're in there, that you're okay. We will be making entry.
Stop. Get away from the door.
Get away!
Deputies show up to remove a guest who won't leave. What's on the other side of that door turns a routine checkout into a barricade. And by the time it's over, a deputy is hurt, a woman is on a gurney, and many other mysteries which never get answered.
Franklin, the Sheriff's office is here as well. Need you to please open the door.
Sheriff's office, if you're inside, make yourself known.
Hello? Miss Franklin? Oh, I think she moved the fridge in front of it, dude. I gotta let go first.
Move the fridge.
Open the door.
Alright, she got the latch.
You need to open the door. You need to come out now. No, she's not responding. What's your name? Christy Franklin, are you inside? You need to come out now. You're not answering us. We're concerned for your safety now. We need you to come and open the door. We need to assure that you're okay. You need to respond to my questions. Are you okay?
You're making this difficult.
She just hid in the bathroom. Hands. Hold on. She's pushing on it.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
What is she saying?
She's pushing on the fridge. She's not saying anything.
I thought she just said.
Yeah, you need to back away from the door. We're gonna get in there. You need to come out now. You're making this harder than it has to be.
She's also gonna have to pay for any damages too.
Wait, how big is this lady?
Oh, it's good.
Stop pushing against that door.
See if you can get in and kick your leg and move the fridge. Oh, no. The door's open. We just need to move the fridge.
We're just gonna take the whole door off.
Somebody's done with some shit.
Now, officers had reason to fear that behind that door, someone needed help, or something darker was being hidden.
Get away from the door! Get away! Get away from the door! He's here. Here!
Behind the door.
Hey, get away!
Hey! Let's go. Go. Get in.
Put your hands. Your hands.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
I got coffee.
Put the hands.
Are you out of your mind? The whole thing was recorded too. All right, she's cooked. Okay. You guys need to get
Okay.
No, you can keep walking. Hey, my shouldn't have done that. Turn over on your back. Turn over on your back and do it now. You need another set?
Okay, come in. Yeah, you're fine.
You're good.
Slow down.
Slow it down. We're good. We're good. Need another one?
Just unlock this one.
Just keep your eye on her breathing. Make sure she's okay.
Yep.
Don't start. Do not try to do anything. What the hell is wrong with you? Stop acting like an animal.
At this point, I will carry her.
You now have battery law enforcement, which is a felony charge. This was a civil issue to begin with. You want to catch another charge? Try that shit again. But there's got to be something else. This isn't normal behavior unless she's having a psychotic break.
And help us understand the situation.
We know this isn't normal, so why don't you just be honest with us? It's fine.
Just like miscellaneous food. She got some shoes. We actually want to take these with us. A $284 price tag. Did you need two?
Okay.
This call didn't start with a barricade. It started with a mandatory room inspection, but turned into a rapid breakdown in the next 10 days.
In the room. Now, upon attempting to go up to the room to speak to her, knocked on the door, she opened the door, the latch was on. She slammed the door, did not want to respond, did not want to speak. I told her multiple times, please talk to me, I need entry to the room to speak to her about the noise complaints. No, she was not cooperative at all. Then yesterday, we had our standard monthly pest control. Her room number was one of the room numbers that needed to be treated. She refused entry again. Per our policy, you're not allowed to not allow us to enter, period. So we had to do our treatment and she did not allow it. She was using vulgarity, profanity as she slammed the door in my maintenance's. When she came to the desk this morning to get her package and we interacted, I advised her, hey, at this point, I'm gonna have to ask you to check out.
Gotcha.
She turned right around, did not respond, did not say a word to me.
She refused to let anyone in, but when she stopped answering completely, deputies knew they couldn't wait any longer.
Christy, before I put that hobble on your legs, okay, and we end up having to carry you out
sorry,
of
what
here,
was the last
would
digit?
you
I
like
just
to walk
deleted it.
out of here on your own accord?
7?
Or do we have to actually carry you out?
716.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, so you have finished up your hobble. This one right here?
No, this one.
Oh, right here. Oh, okay.
How do we want to?
Hey, guy. Can you
You guys pick her straight up.
Here we go. Here we go.
You guys just pick her straight up. We'll put the stretcher right underneath.
Oh, okay. All right, that'll work.
Watch her. Watch her.
Gotcha. Yep. There you go.
No. Came close though. Do we want to lay her? Do you want to leave her like this?
Gotta use the shoulder down. Yeah, definitely use the
Tell you what, can we actually turn her back over and maybe put her face up? We'll take that down and strap her in.
Lower a little bit. We're on our side.
Yeah, we
Probably do that
I'll
too.
put her on our side.
You know what? Let's put her on our side and then we can actually strap her down.
Yep.
That'd be fine. That's a good idea. Yeah, good call. Good call.
1, 2, 3. Coming toward you.
Just make sure her
Just
shoulder's
roll
okay.
Come on, Miss Franklin.
Watch her.
Yeah. Miss Franklin, you're pushing down.
Stop that.
Okay.
Relax. Okay.
Don't do it. I'll have her fix it. As well.
I'm gonna fix your bra, okay?
Yeah, probably under her. By the head.
Just gonna keep you covered.
That's reach underneath the head of the stretcher.
Oh, got it. Yep. Sorry, Matt.
He was a sergeant.
Sorry.
Just watch your feet on the door here, Connor.
She's carried out on a gurney, instead met downstairs for transport to the hospital. By the end, she was facing a felony charge for battery on a law enforcement officer, or probably trespassing charge. Officers on scene say she tried to strike one of them, and later references an injury, though no footage reviewed shows the moment of contact itself. Ever wonder how crime documentaries come to life? Every story begins with thorough research, careful scripting, and thoughtful editing. From dramatic maps and immersive sound design to cinematic visuals and motion graphics, every element is crafted to draw you deeper into the investigation and keep you engaged. If you enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and share the channel.